Okay, in this video we're going to talk about backing up and restoring courses. Here is our shell of a course, and at the bottom of the more selections, we have course reuse. Our selections here are import, backup, restore, copy course, or reset. In our case, we are looking to back up the course, which is the second one down. There are different settings you can set. This is a basic course shell, so there's nothing much for us to adjust in this case. If you had different things you did or didn't want to include, filters, comments, that's what you would adjust here. We are going to perform the backup. The backup process is pending, so we wait. It says we don't have to wait here. It turns out this is a very tiny shell. There's not a lot of content, so for the sake of this video, we are going to wait. You see the backup process has been completed, 100%, it's turned green. And once we hit continue, it takes us to the restore page. You can upload a backup file. And then you've got the course backup area, which shows the most recent backups. We made one at 9:03 and then one 5 minutes later. And then private backup area. We are going to want to restore the most recent. So we'll press restore next to the one that says 9:07. It gives us all the details, all the settings, lets us know so we know this is the one we want. It says continue. It's asking us, do we want to restore it as a new course? And say yes. And here you can choose to either, that would be if you were going to make it a new course. You can also restore into the current course to bring them together. Restore into an existing course by either merging or deleting. In this case, that's not what we're doing. So I'm going to choose in this case, restore into this course. Since there's really the same content, is to show you the flow. So here again, we could restore to, and choose to, sorry about that, we could choose to not move over certain things that are in the content or not. And if there's any settings that we want to overwrite or not overwrite, again, we can control that here. And so perform restore. Restore process is pending. Patiently wait. And again, this shouldn't take very long because they're both very empty shells. But if you had a very long one, you could return to course and then check the restore page. And we will go to the course for the restored item, as it says in the description. Now you see what's happened here. We've actually ended up with, because we merged them, we ended up with two different sets of announcement fields. If one had deleted the content and then filled in over the other, it would have put the most recent set of announcement fields. The rest of these, since they were blank, are completely unaffected. So those are the basics of backing up and restoring a course.